Hello, good morning students. Welcome to Unique Coaching class. Now we are going to solve sum number 9 on 1/9/2009. Sri Amar purchased a machine on hire purchase system from Sri Avni Traders. Amar is a buyer, Avni is a trader. Okay, and purchase a machine on 1/1/2009. Condition of payment were as under. On 1/19, the date of agreement, the date of purchase, 25% of cash price means it is a down payment. Okay, down payment કેટલું આપ્યું છે 25% છે cash price ના. Then 159 installment is not given. 110/9 installment is given and 31st December installment is given. Again the same point like the previous sum. Look at the date of installment. Okay, date पर focus करो. Purchase on January 2009. 3 installment has been paid till 31st December 9. Okay, so here he paid 3 installment within a single year. એક જ year માં બધું finish કરી દીધું છે. Okay, he complete in a single year. Okay, single year માં બધું એ finish કરી દીધું છે. So let's see difference between them. Okay, કેટલા મહિને interest pay કરે છે. In a previous sum we have shown that they pay interest every 4 months. Okay, every 4 month interest pay કરેલું. Let's see here in every how many months the interest was paid. First of all, what is difference between this? January to 1st May. Okay, January to 1st May. So January આવશે, February, 3rd March, 4th April will not come because April come, May will not come because 1st May છે એટલે અહીંયા 4 month નું interest છે. Then 110, what is difference between this? So it will be May આવશે, 5th આવશે, 6th આવશે, 7 આવશે, 8 and 9 also come because 110 છે ને, so 9 સુધી આવશે, so it is a 5 month. And last 110 to 31st December, so 10, 11 and 12, so there is a 3 months. Okay, so this way he complete the installment. 4 month, 3 month એટલે કે particular date નથી. Okay, approximately installment pay કર્યા છે 3 month, 4 month and 5 months. Okay, so here what is the twist point? Like this same sum, but here one more extra point comes, that is one installment is not given. Let's see other information. Depreciation of machine at 10% per year is to be calculated on reducing balance method. Okay, accounts are closed on 31st December. Okay, rate of depre is given and account closed on December. On 1/5/2009, 4,53,222 was paid, of which 37,422 is of interest. Payment of remaining amount is done in three equal installment. Now focus on this point. Okay, this point is regarding which installment. Okay, આ જે point છે કઈના વિશે કીધો છે? 1st May 2009. Okay, and here you can see that 1st May 2009 installment is not given. 1st May 2009 no installment આપેલો નથી. So here the point is that they give the amount of installment. Look at here. Okay, because we know that normally we pay installment. Which amount any person pay? Who buy the asset? तो जे installment असे pay करसे. Look at here on 1/5/2009. Okay, on 1/5/2009, 4,53,222 was paid. Okay, આટલું pay કર્યા છે, right? So it is the indirectly amount of installment. You can write here it is the amount of installment, 4,53,222. So actually it is not the twist point. They already give installment in other information, right? So installment already આપેલો છે. Why it is installment? Because he clearly told that was paid. આપણે શું pay કરી? Actually જે payment કરી તે installment નું જ હોય છે. Of which 37,422 is of interest. Okay, they also give the interest. Okay, આમાં 37,422 એ શું છે? It is the interest. Remember we have solved this type of sum. Okay, I think video number maybe 9, okay, 8 or 9 I think. Okay, in that sum they also give interest separately. The journal of interest is given. So same point here, they give the interest of this installment and the amount of installment, and then say payment of remaining amount is done in three equal installment. It is something new, we will see it. From the above particulars, pass necessary journal entries in the books of Sri Amar and prepare Sri Amar's account and interest account in the books of Sri Avni Traders. First of all, now in this sum, you have to prepare yourself, because in a previous sum I told you how to prepare accounts and journal when installment are not yearly paid. Okay, આ દાખલામાં પણ અગાઉની જેમ જ installment yearly payment નથી કર્યા, 4 months 3 months ના gap પર છે. તો previous year માં જે રીતે journal બતાવ્યા તે accounts હતા એ રીતે તમારે prepare કરવાના છે. So in this sum, I am not going to show journal and accounts. Now you can easily prepare. I have already explained in previous video. In this video, I complete the calculation of table. So now the question is, what is twist point in this sum? Okay. So if you check properly, first of all, cash price is not given. We know that last 5 to 6 video cash price is not given. But in this question, if you see properly, where is rate of interest? Look at, nothing rate of interest given. Rate of depre is given. Okay, rate of depre is given and this installment is given, but there is no point regarding rate of interest. Okay, દાખલામાં rate of interest આપેલું જ નથી. So now what to do? Okay, તો હવે આપણે શું કરીએ? Don't worry, let's start this sum. Okay, જે આપની ગાડી અટકશે પછી આપણે કંઈક ને કંઈક આઈડિયા આવી જશે. So just let's start. Okay. So whatever information available, let's write that. Purchase on 119, then 159, then 110 and 31st December. So let's write that amount. Purchase on 119. Okay, then first installment 1st May 9. After that 110.9 and then 31st December 9. Down payment is not given. They told the 25% છે. Then installment 453 2 times 2. Okay, remember the amount something different. 3 times 2. And the interest is also available, that is 37422. Then another installment 446985. 446985 and 425156. 425156. Okay, only this information available, right? 453222, 4,53,222, 4,46,985 and 4,25,156. Here we saw that rate of interest is not given. Okay, દાખલામાં rate of interest આપેલો નથી. Okay, now what to do? If rate of interest is given, then we can start from the last installment and easily complete this sum. But rate of interest is not given, then what to do? Here we have a one amount of interest. Okay, આપની પાસે એક interest ની amount તો છે ને. So can we complete that calculation? Yes, let's complete that. We know that it will be less from this, so we get this amount. So 453,222 minus 37422. So here we get 4,15,800. Okay, we get this amount of payment. Now next what? Next nothing. We can't do anything right now. In the previously video number I think 9 or 8, we have solved the same point. I think video number 8. Okay, in that question they give the rate of interest. Sorry, they give the amount of interest and we find out the rate of interest. Okay, એ દાખલામાં આપની પાસે શું હતું? Amount of interest available and we find out the rate of interest. But in that sum, the rate of, suppose the interest was given the last installment. Okay, last installment no interest available હતું. Okay, suppose here I just told you, suppose here the last installment interest is given. Suppose here 25,506. It's a last installment interest. Okay. If you less this, here 4 lakh comes. And we know that here dash. And but then a plus કરીશું, so balance will become here. This balance will transfer here. So that question, the point is like this. Okay, a question માં point આ રીતનો હતો. I told you interest is calculated on balance which is remaining. So here we have a balance. Here 4 lakh balance છે. Okay, the interest calculate થાય છે કોના પર calculate થાય છે? This balance. So here we put this step against this 4 lakh interest is 25 lakh 156. So what will be in case of 100? So in that question, we have a amount of interest and also the amount on which the interest was calculated. એમાં આપની પાસે interest ની amount હતી અને આ interest જે amount પર calculate થયું છે this balance એ પણ available હતી. Okay, we have a amount of interest and also the balance of amount on which the interest was calculated. જે amount પર interest calculate થયો એ amount પણ available હતી. But here we don't have that amount because this interest is calculated on which amount? Okay, આ જે interest છે કોના પર calculate થયું હશે? This amount interest was calculated on which balance? It was calculated on this amount. Okay, ये જે પણ balance હશે એના પર calculate થયું હશે. This balance comes from this side. This balance transfer here and whatever amount here on એના જે બી particular percentage હશે એટલે આ interest calculate થયું હશે. Now here we don't have this amount, we don't have an amount of percentage. So we can't find out that. So now there is no any clue. If in a question they give this balance or they give this rate of interest, then we complete the calculation. But that's not possible here. So now what to do? In this question, one more point is given. I told you we see it later. Which point? And also this comes first time. This was payment of remaining amount is done in 3 equal installment. This is the important. You can solve this sum on this base. Payment of remaining amount is done in 3 equal installment. એટલે કે જે payment બાકી છે એ equal installment માં pay કરવાનું છે. Okay, જે પણ payment બાકી છે would be paid in equal installment. But one more here point is a 3 equal installment. Okay, here we have already 3 installment and look at it is equal. No, not at all. It is not equal. It is a different amount. જે payment છે 3 installment માં payment કરવાનું છે એવું કયું છે? Yes, we have payment in 3 installment but they are not equal. But here told that in 3 equal installment માં payment થયું છે. So the question is they are talking about what? Okay, અહીંયા શું કહ્યું છે કે 3 equal installment માં બાકીનું payment કર્યું છે, right? 3 equal installment માં payment કર્યું છે. Yes, we have payment by 3 installment but they are not equal. Okay, but they equal નથી. Look at here, it is equal. No, there is a different amount, not the equal amount. So here they are talking about which equal amount? So they are talking about the payment. What they are talking about? The payment છે એ કેવું છે 3 equal installment માં છે. So here they are talking about the payment. Here payment means this was. Remember I told you, suppose you have paid installment 4,25,156 and the interest was 25,156. So what will they actually pay? Actually તમારું કેટલું payment થયું કહેવાય? આટલું તો payment કર્યું છે, it is with interest. એમાંથી interest less કરશો તો it is your actually payment. Remember when we start the chapter, that time I told you this is the amount of actually payment. Actually જે તમે payment કર્યું છે તે amount છે 4 lakh ની, right? So they are talking about this point. Okay, જે અહીંયા વાત કરે છે આ point ની કટ કરે છે payment થાય છે તે. કે payment કેવું છે equal installment માં છે. Normal installment તો આપેલા છે અહીંયા 3 installment and amount different છે. So here the point is that whatever payment was done was equal. 3 installment માં કેવું છે equal છે. That's the clue here. Okay, કે જે 3 installment માં જે payment થયું છે that payment was equal. And remember I told you it is the payment. Okay, આ કઈ column છે? Indirectly જે actually payment થયું છે તે. And told that 3 installment have a equal amount. So it is our first installment, it is our second and it is our third installment. Okay, and in every installment payment was equal. Look at carefully here, 4,15,800 is payment in first installment no payment available છે and they told that every installment have a equal payment. So it's a common sense point કે બધામાં equal payment થયું છે. So here 4,15,800 છે તો અહીંયા પણ કેટલા હશે? 4,15,800. Here also 4,15,800. Here we can't find out interest because there is no clue about the interest, but here they give one point. The payment was done equal in 3 installment. 3 installment માં જે payment છે equal છે, right? So આપણી પાસે first installment નું payment આપણે question માંથી જ મળી ગયું છે. So બાકીના 2 નું પણ એ જ હશે. Clear this? Now with this we can easily complete this sum. Okay, now our sum is easily now completed. We have a payment amount. How we can complete it? Look at here. We know that here always dash. Here always dash. Okay, so બંનેનો total કરીશું. So here we get 4,15,800. It will be transfer here 4,15,800. Okay, now how we get this amount? We know this point. Whatever amounts comes here એમાંથી આપણે amount less કરીશું. Suppose here we take a x is equal to આવશે. Okay, so if you make a equation 415,156 minus x is equal to 415,800. So it will comes here and x will comes here 425,156. It was plus this side minus and minus x here plus. So answer comes 425,156, 425,156, 415,800. 9356. Okay, 9356. 9356. Also you can check. Okay, less કરીને check કરી લેવાનું. 425,156 minus 9356. So amount balance. Okay, now next we know that બંનેનો total up જશે 145,800. Sorry, 415,800, 415,800. So 8,31,600. Okay, now these amounts will transfer here. And here just we know that how to find out this. Suppose here x, so plus છે આ બાજુ minus થઈ જશે 446,985 minus 415,800. So here you will get the amount. The same calculation last the previous last installment માં જે રીતે calculation કરી એ જ રીતે 311,85 interest will be come. Okay, now the next. Okay, બંનેનો total આવશે 415,800, 831,600. So here comes 12,47,400 will be transfer here. Now the down payment is not given, but they told that 25%. So we know this calculation. Okay, we have to suppose cash price 100 minus down payment 25. So 75 will be balance. Now put this step. If balance 75, then cash price 100. So here our balance is 20,47,400. 20,74,000 20,47,400. 47,400 into 100 divided by 75. So answer comes 16,63,200. 16,63,200. So now we can get the down payment that was 25%. So if you do 25%, you will get the amount 4,15,800. Here interest will be dash 4,15,800 and you can check એમાંથી આ લેસ કરીશું. So you will get 12,47,400. So here sum is completed. So here important point is what? Important point is The equal installment payment was done in 3 equal installment. That's the our clue. Okay, તો જે ક્લુ છે આખો સમ ટોટલી આના પર જ છે. ઓકે, ધેટ્સ ધ ટ્વિસ્ટ પોઈન્ટ ઇન ધીસ સમ ઓનલી. ઓકે, જે ટ્વિસ્ટ પોઈન્ટ છે તે આ જ છે. પેમેન્ટ ઓફ રિમેનિંગ અમાઉન્ટ ઇઝ ડન ઇન 3 equal installment.